Hi, welcome everyone to Econistics.com. Today we'll be doing panel quantile regression in Stata. So before going to the Stata, so we first discuss the pre-requirements of estimating panel quantile regression. So panel quantile regression is used when the data is not normal and we are forced to estimate using median, and the advantage of this model is that we can use some other center value rather than the median or the mean. So it is used when the data is panel in the panel format, and in Stata this regression is not readily available. You need to install the following libraries. So first is uh, quantile regression panel data, then more meta, then AMCMC. So you'll first of all we'll install these libraries. So the command is ssc install qreg pd. So when you do it, it will search for internet. So look at bottom is right, showing content con- contacting host and receiving the information. So for you to install these libraries, you need to make sure you have a stable internet and the firewall is not stopping these data to access the internet. So it will install the library from the internet. So first of all, it will check if its availability, then it will check if it is already installed in the computer, and if it is not installed, then it will install. So in my PC it's already installed, so it will stop after checking, and or it will only install if there is a new update available with more with remove which has solved some previous bugs. So it has already installed, so no need to install. And second was ssc install more meta. So it's looking at the internet. It will look for availability of the file, then it will compare it with available already installed file. If they are same, then it will stop. So it's checking for the file. So you can also check for ssc install AMC MC. This way all three libraries are checked. Now when you install a new library, it means their commands are not available in the menus. So you need to either you already know how to run that command, or the faster way is first of all you should have the data available. So data file that we are discussing is a panel data of, and the variables, there are several variables in the data file. This is the example data file that we use to create tutorials. So it has countries and years arranged in a panel data format. So we will be making a model for infant mortality rate and environmental quality, and third variable is GDP per capita. So like you, I also don't know what is the command. So what we can do is we can write help qreg pd. It will open up the help menu and go at the bottom and select the command which select the model equation that is in the example, so that you can just copy it and change the variable names. So I copied it. Now I will change the variable names here. So my model, the infant mortality rate and CO2 and GDP per capita. So my cross section variable is, so first of all it will not run because I haven't set the cross section variables. So first of all I will remove it, then I will have to make tells data that it is a panel data. But see, I have a time variable which is in numeric form, but I don't have a country variable which is in numeric form. So what we can do is we can encode the country variable. So encode country and generate id. So it will make encode the country variables with first country as code 1, second country as code 2. This way we have a coded data. So now with that it tells data that it is a panel data. So xt set id first cross section, first pillar, that is cross section, then year. So it will make a panel data. Okay, now we'll go back in the panel data command for the quantile regression panel data IMR, CO2, GDP per capita, and my id code is id, and fix is here. Now if I run it, it will estimate me the counter regression. So the command burn is not recognized, so the one way is to assess. You can install the burn if it is it's not available. So what you can do is that go back, and you can what has happened, that the burn was in the second line. So the problem was the burn was in the second, so it was considering it as a second command. That's why it was not working. So now come back. So now we'll do it IMR GDP per capita CO2. The dependency variable should be the first, and now if you run it again, so it's working now. So you can see there are two variables, both of them are insignificant for the median. Now you can do is page up, and you can add quantile for 25, which will run it for 25th percentile, and it's significant. So this way you can run it for as many quantiles you want to run. So this way you can estimate quantile regression in panel data. Hope you have understood how to do it, and if you have any queries, do share in the comments. And thank you very much for watching. See you later.